Hi, I'm Ted Lucidi for Innovatus Imaging. I'm here with Mike Labrie, our Chief Technology Officer at our Center of Excellence for Design and Manufacturing in Denver, Colorado. Here, Mike and his team developed specialty ultrasound transducers for original equipment manufacturers. They also assist our repair facilities with developing test methodologies to enhance our repair capabilities and outcomes.
We do full design and development of transducers, so this will be kind of soup to nuts design and qualification of a product for an OEM. In order to support that, we've got a whole range of equipment, everything from acoustic power measurement equipment, the ability to do face temperature measurements, image quality, pulse echo testing, a whole realm of things. And we also have contacts close by that let us do other things such as electromagnetic emissions and temperature cycling, the old shake and bake, environmental type tests. So we can do everything from soup to nuts. When it comes to supporting the repair center then, any component that we manufacture or design out of Denver that supports the repair center is generally subject to all of that same quality system and same process. And so where appropriate, we will take that equipment and that capability and apply it to a component or some other material that's going into a probe.